What is Cleaner Smile Teeth Whitening Kit? Cleaner Smile, the latest homemade teeth whitening product, comes with several useful tools that are great for detoxifying your mouth and getting whiter teeth. The Cleaner Smile system can help even those with sensitive teeth, tooth sensitivity, inflamed gums or gingivitis. Braces, veneers, caps, crowns and bridges are also safe dental procedures. It offers a painless whitening solution to get rid of dark spots of soda, coffee, tea, smoking and other. Cleaner Smile Teeth Whitening Kit. Cleaner Smile really works. Is the kit worth $80 of teeth whitening gel to provide optimal results and long-lasting whitening benefits? It comes with a lead dental whitening kit and accessories like cell phone adapters compatible with iPhone and Android smartphones. The Grin Teeth Whitening Cleaner Kit can help you regain your self-confident smile. Each application takes about 15 minutes, and daily use for 21 days will make your teeth whiter. The Smile Teeth Whitening Cleaner Kit essentially offers a simple way to receive dental care at home. The kit comes with high-quality accessories and direct instructions, increasing your convenience and putting a smile on your face despite the cliché sound of the kit. So you can really rely on the Cleaner Smile Teeth Whitening Kit. It is approved by area experts, is being used by thousands of people who are having great results with this product.